Hi children, how are you all? Welcome to today's science class. The previous class we learnt about the uses of plants. No children, by now you all know that plants provide us food. Plant is the main source of food for us. Yes, and also plants give us oxygen to breathe. So giving oxygen and giving us food. So these are the major uses of plants. Yes, no children. So apart from that, plants give us so many other things also. That is what we are going to learn. Other uses of plants. Today's topic is we are going to learn about the other uses of plants apart from giving us, providing us food. Yes, by now you all know that we are learning block 2, useful plants. Today we will learn about the other uses of plants, children. Yes, as usual, we will imagine a situation and we will continue our learning. You just think that you can take your notebook and you can write also. Generally, some 5 things which we use in our everyday life. Any 5 things you can, whichever comes into your mind, you can write and just we'll find out from where we get it. So please don't add any food items because already we know that plants give us different types of food. Yes, no children, shall we start? Yes. So first, we all need clothes, no children? To cover our body, we need the clothes. So all of us need clothes. Yes. And also, you need the books and notebooks, no children, for learning. Books, notebooks are very essential for learning. You need pencil for writing. Yes. And also, if suppose it is if we have any health problem, we take some medicines also. Mild cold, fever, like that, anything is there, we have to take some medicines. Some medicines also in our everyday, not every day, occasionally, anytime when we fall sick, we use some medicines also. So now, and also you need an eraser. Whenever you are making any mistake in your notebook, you will rub it. So from where do we get clothes, children? By now you know that last year we learnt about natural and synthetic fibers. Yes, do you remember? So some of the clothes that is all the man-made. But we get even some of the clothes from the plants also. Yes. So plants give us, like cotton plants and jute plants give us clothes, no children? So clothes will get made up of fiber. That fiber, sometimes they may be natural fibers, like plants also give us clothes, that is from the cotton and jute. And notebooks, children, we need the paper. Generally we get the paper from the bamboo tree. So bamboo trees give the paper. This is fiber from the cotton or jute. And pencil, mainly it is made up of wood. We'll get from the sal, teak, such type of trees will give the wood, children. And medicines. So medicines, different types of medicines we take. Generally we from Tulsi, neem, all are medicinal plants. From cough syrup or anything, for cough syrup, like that, some medicines we get from the Tulsi and neem for the skin and all. Eraser we'll get from the rubber tree, that is made up of rubber, that is from the rubber tree. Like this, many items, many things we other apart from the food we get from the plants. That is what we are going to learn. You can write any five and find out whether you are using the plant product or some other product. So that is going to be our today's learning, children. Now, plants give us so many other things. Just we will draw one web and we will understand what all plants are giving uses of plants. So here I will not add the food because already we have learned. So plants give us wood, no children, wood or timber for making furniture. Yes, wood is not only used for making the furniture, even for the doors, windows in our home is also made up of wood. Plants give the fiber to make the clothes. From cotton and jute plant, you will get the fiber. Plants give us rubber to make the tires of vehicles, erasers, like that. Yes, Plants give us medicines. Some plants, many plants have medicinal values. So they are used for making different types of medicines to cure different diseases. Plants are used to make cosmetics. Yes, in flowers lesson we learned cosmetics and perfumes which have very good fragrance. Flowers or other parts also they are used for making cosmetics and perfumes. Plants give us even gum. Yes, no children, gum from the acacia tree we get the gum. So fiber, wood, rubber, medicines, cosmetics, and also from religious functions are there. We use the leaves of some of the plants to decorate our house. Flowers we will decorate the home. So like this there are different types of uses of plants provide us so many other things. Yes, like wood, fiber, even paper, very important, one more, paper. So without paper, we cannot imagine learning, no children, textbooks, notebooks and all, we get from the paper. See, fiber, wood, rubber, medicines, cosmetics and perfumes, gum, paper, all these things we get from the plants. So now, when we talk about these all, we should know at least the names of the plants which will give us all this. So next we will move on to that children. So now, plants give us, you can write in your notebook, plants give us paper. You can draw one big tree and in that only you can write one fruits you can make and what all you are getting from the plants, like that you can do one activity. Your lower classes you are done. But now you have to add up which plant is giving also. Yes, for example, plants gives us wood. So which plants will give us wood? Teak plant. Sal is one of the plant. Mahogany is one of the plant, which is the trees. These trees are, when they become old, they'll cut these trees and the furniture and doors and other things are made from this wood of these three plants here, of these three trees. Now, paper. Generally, paper we get from, they make from the plants called bamboo trees. Many other trees also used, mainly from the bamboo. Yes. Gum we get from the tree named acacia. It's a tree, in the deserts they will find out, and these trees are, from the tree something will secrete, some liquid will be coming out, that liquid is collected and that is used for making the gum, that is our glue. And same way rubber also, from the rubber trees only will give the rubber, that is like a milk like thing will come from the plant, that is the liquid from the plant that they will collect and that is made as rubber. By using the rubber, you all know the tires of the vehicles are also made, not only your eraser. Yes, no children. And also fiber, if you take fiber, we get the fiber from cotton and jute. Linen plants will give us the fiber. The fiber is collected and then it is used for making the different varieties of clothes. This we have even learned in the 3rd class also. Yes, no children. And also plants are used for making medicines. No children. 6th one. Medicines. So when we talk about medicines, in our school you all have seen the neem tree. Neem tree is, every part is very useful and have medicinal values. And also Tulsi, aloe vera, many plants are there which are used for making. Turmeric is also having medicinal values. Whenever we are having a cut, suddenly you fell down, even they will add some turmeric on that only, and even they'll give, mother will be giving you turmeric milk. So when you have the turmeric milk, it is very good, it will cure the wounds, cuts, whatever you have. It is having one antiseptic property, so that turmeric is always very good. That's why we add turmeric in all the dishes your mother is preparing. She will add turmeric, and when you get a wound or cut, turmeric can be taken along with milk so that it will be cured. So turmeric is also having medicinal value. You have seen turmeric, children, yellow color powder. Yes, turmeric. And not only medicines, they are used to give perfumes, cosmetics like creams and all. This we discussed in flower lesson also. So generally rose, jasmine, lavender, all these are used to give the perfumes and cosmetics. And also dyes, colors. Yes, colors also. Some of the plants give us colors, marigold and all, they are soaked and the color is marigold, hibiscus, all these are So can the color is used for some coloring purpose also. Yes. So like that we can find out the wide variety of uses, wide range of uses of the plants. So but plants are becoming less on the, that is the one of the major concern. You all know that, no? We are learning in second class also, you learnt about the forest lesson, why we need to protect the plants. So useful they are, but when we are cutting so many trees, they'll become very less and we won't get the plant products in future. That is why, see, when you talk about paper, you have to use it very carefully, because a future there will be no bamboo trees. Any product which you are getting from the plants, we have to use it very carefully, or else there will be no plants on that variety of plants only will be lost. That is also one of the thing you should remember whenever you learnt about the uses of plants. See, now you learnt about the different names of the plants which are giving you the different things like wood, rubber, these and all. Yes, no children, see that so many names are there. These all you have to learn with spellings. Now apart from this, one very important use of the plant is plants bring rain. So it will be surprising for you. Yes, plants even help in bringing rain. How it will be? Can you think how it will be? So you know the trees and all, they have so many leaves, right? So they'll absorb the water and they will store in their leaf. They'll use it for making the food. Yes, and after they make it for using the food, some extra water will be there that will get evaporated. It will get evaporated and they will go and they will be a part of the water cycle. We learned water cycle, no? Water going up and down, up, cyclic movement. So they will become the clouds. This evaporated water will go up and again it will come back as the rainfall. So plants also help in bringing rainfall. Yes, children, we'll see how even trees help in bringing rain. Wherever more trees are there, forest area is there always there will be more rainfall. Just we'll have just an idea about that. You will be learning about this all in detail when you go to the higher classes. For example, children, there are trees are there. See, like this, trees are there. So trees will have many leaves. All the plants have leaves and they will absorb the water from the root, will absorb the water, and you all know that leaves will prepare the food for the plant itself, and they will, when they absorb water, they will absorb more water also. So there will be some extra water in the leaves. That extra water, here leaves are there, no children. So these leaves will have some extra water. So that extra water will get evaporated because sun is heating, no? So it will get evaporates. It will get evaporate means what, children? It will change into water vapor and it will go up. And you know that when they become water vapor and when they move up, they may change into clouds and they may fall as rainfall. And you all know water cycle, no? From the water bodies, water will same way they will go up and they will form as clouds, and they will fall and they will reach the water bodies. That is a cyclic movement. So here this water also which is evaporating, they will become a part of water cycle. From the water bodies also water is getting evaporated, no? So this water also get evaporates and they will mix, and this also will becomes a part of water cycle, and they move up, they form clouds and they bring the, so like this, they become the clouds and they bring the rainfall. So this is how trees also help in bringing rain. Very, very important. Rainfall is so important for the life to be sustained, life to continue on the earth. So not only giving food, not only giving us oxygen, not only giving other things for our comfortable living like wood, paper and all, even the plants help to bring the rainfall. Yes, children. So now as usual, and one more thing, children, about the rubber we learned, no? Rubber, I said they'll collect some liquid. So that liquid is called as sap. They'll collect the trees rubber. If it is a rubber tree, they'll collect a liquid from this to make the rubber. So that is called as the sap liquid. It will be in the liquid form. So now we will read what is there in the textbook. Just we will see what is given in your textbook, children. Take out your textbook. In your textbook page number 17, you can see other uses of plants, and they have been given many pictures. You can see the wooden houses in some countries, and even in our India also, some parts of our country houses are made only using wood. You can see wood, and you can see the coconut we eat as food also, and also coconut outside that fiber is there, no, that is used as coir. Tulsi, you all know that it is a medicinal plant, and marigold is used for decoration and making perfume also, that also you know that. And neem, again medicinal plant. Mint also, medicinal values are there for mint even, and we use for cooking. Turmeric, just now I said, no, turmeric can heal the cuts and wounds, and it is an antiseptic. Turmeric has many medicinal values. You see the picture of the fiber from the cotton plant, children. So this fiber, even you had this picture in your third class book also. So that is only collected, and it is made into thread, and thread is made into clothes. And you see sap being collected. Sap is the liquid being collected from the rubber tree. See that, children, like white color milk like thing, and this will be in the factories, they'll change into rubber. This small part is there for you to read, interesting part, that you can, even many trees names with spelling it is given, try to learn that, read that, and then as usual you will be able to complete your S2 you will write the date. This time I am not going to write complete answers. I will be giving you the hints. You will be able to, can do that on your own. So in S2, children, see the first part, circle the things that we could use in our daily life and get from plants. Circle the things that you are getting from the plant. So they are given you Pudinhara, one tablet like thing will be there. It is used by, we are getting it from the pudina. So you think whether you can circle it or not. Then plastic bag, pencil, study table, newspaper, gum, cotton sari, steel plate, rubber band. See, rubber bands for many purpose we use, no? Yes. Jute bag, teak chair. Teak is the name of the tree. And sweater. So you think which all are from this, which all you can circle, which all are we are getting from the plant, you think, and that you have to complete on your own. So first is for you will do on your own. Okay, children. Now second one we are doing S2. Always write the date. First one, you are very clever, children, all can do on your own, circling. Second one, see that they given write examples of plants that give us flowers. Very simple, no? You can write any two flowers. Second one, a rose you can write. On your own, you write whichever flower you want to complete that. One item. Medicine, children. So this is for the flowers, right? So flowers. Then they ask you to write the medicinal plants. So medicine, can I write neem? And you can write one more on your own. Yes, children. Then wood. Wood, I write sesame. You can write any one. Sesame is also one of the tree which can be used for making the wood, furniture and all. Fiber. I am writing one. You are going to write the other one. So I am writing cotton. You write one more on your own. Then oil. Oil, I am writing sunflower oil, you can write one more. Groundnut, you can write till, that is the sesame, you can write. Then paper is from bamboo, generally from bamboo, and some other trees also. So we can write only bamboo here. Yes. So then this you will complete on your own. Second and another names you can write on your own. Now third question, you see, there is a girl like you, Yashoda. She fell and hurt her knee. Her mother gave her milk with turmeric. Why is it advisable for someone who has gotten hurt to drink milk with turmeric? Because turmeric has medicinal value, and turmeric can cure the wounds and cuts. Turmeric has medicinal values, and it can cure the wounds and cuts. So Yashoda can get well soon. Yes, children. So can you write it on your own? Yes. So this first and second, I hope you can do on your remaining part. You can do on your own. Now third and fourth, only three more questions are there that we will discuss. So now turmeric can cure wounds and cuts. So she can get well soon. That's why her mother is, she can get well soon. You can write in your own way also. Just we are helping you because you are not there with us, no, in the school we are not. So that it is not necessary that you have to, this part after reading lesson you try to do on your own. If you have any doubt, then you can check. And no need to write the same way what I am writing. You write in your own way. Frame sentences. This you can add up. Turmeric is having antiseptic values. Turmeric is a medicinal plant. So different way also you can write. Yes, children. Do try to do on your own. This is just one hint we are giving you. Just we are trying to help some of the children who need us, they want our help, but you, so whoever, everybody can try. It's not that anybody cannot do, all of you can try and frame your own sentences. Fourth question, how do plants help in bringing rain? So how do plants help in bringing rain? Trees store water, no, in their leaves. This extra water, some will be used for making the food. The extra water changes in, evaporates and becomes a part of water cycle. Yes, now can you complete this? So when it becomes a part of water cycle, thus this helps in bringing the rainfall. You can hear any places there, you can draw the tree, how that water going up. That is also, if you are having interest, you can do that. You can complete, I did not complete one more sentence you can make to complete this. No, this becomes a part of water cycle. Thus the plants help in bringing the rainfall. You have to add up on your own. Now fifth question, why do we use other material instead of plants for some of our daily needs, like synthetic fiber instead of cotton or plastic instead of wood? See, always we are not getting the cotton, always we are not using cotton. So we are using the synthetic fibers also. The same way we are using the, instead of using wooden furniture, sometimes we are using plastic chairs also. Why, they are asking? Why, children? Why like this why we are not always using the plant products only? Why? Because always we are cutting the trees. No, most of the times human beings are cutting trees for making the houses, getting the paper, making furniture. So trees are becoming very less on the earth. Yes, that is why we are unable to get the plant products. Plant products are less available. Why? Because we are cutting the trees for various, human beings are cutting the trees for various purpose. So that is why plant products, if they are available also, they are very costly also. So like this, some reasons are there. One or two. One I'll write. You can think any other reason will be there. Why we are using, instead of wooden chair, why you are using plastic chair? Instead of cotton clothes, why you are using synthetic clothes? Any other reason is there, you can think and give also. So now fifth question, why are we using the synthetic fiber instead of cotton, and why we are using plastic furniture instead of wood? So that human or people cut trees to make houses, furniture, also so many things, like to get the paper and all. So trees are becoming less. Trees are becoming less. That is why plant products are less available or less in availability. They are less on the earth. That also you can write. So you can try to give your own answer also. So like this, complete first other uses of plants. That is what's today's topic. You read the lesson, observe the pictures, and what all are their uses. You understand, then you take out your workbook with the hints whatever I given, try to give your own answers. That is over. You can draw one big tree and you can write the different things what we are getting from the plants and try to give two examples for each category. Bamboo I said for paper, you can find out which other trees are used for making the paper also. Like that you try some other things of the same topic and complete that worksheet completion over this project work also you complete and be ready for the next class, children. Thank you, children.